In preparing your Unit 3 discussion post, you'll visit Yahoo Finance and find historical stock data for those stocks that you would like to explore the descriptive statistics. Some suggestions: once you get to the Yahoo Finance page, you can get some ideas by simply clicking on the search bar and one of the ticker symbols. That will take you to a trending company for the day. You can use their data if you would like, clicking on historical data. And we'll look at some of the download options in a moment. Let's say you had some stocks in mind. For example, if I'm interested in looking at Walt Disney Company, I can start searching their name, click on the ticker symbol, and there they are. I've already clicked on historical data, so I'm on the data page. If I had not done that yet and had just searched for Disney, I would be on the summary dashboard. Need to change over to historical data, and I want the last 6 months of data. So I click on the dates at 6 months, done. That updates to the past 6 months. Then click apply. That adjusts the data that you see below for only the last 6 months. And then if I click on download data, that generates a CSV file, which I can then pull to my working directory. So I'll pull this up in the folder and show that transferred over to the working directory. Now, for your first reply to appear, you'll also want to look at the previous 6 months of data, so not the most recent, but those 6 months prior to what your classmate analyzed. So let's say that they looked at another company, for example, Instagram. So I want to find that company. Oh, that's private. So could not get that. Let's say they looked at Starbucks. And I get to the Starbucks page, I click on historical data. And it gives me the past year as the default. To get the previous 6 months to what is most current, I could click on 6 months to get an idea of, okay, what date was 6 months ago? That was February 2nd. Then I could click back on 1 year and change it to February of this year, for example. So trying to capture the end date as 6 months ago from today and the start date as 1 year ago from today for the 6 months prior to what your classmate analyzed. Click on done, apply, and download data once more, dragging that to your working directory. And then once you have your files in CSV format in your working directory, you can use the read CSV functions in R to load and work with your data.